Hello viewers, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we are going to consider this serious and a very serious simultaneous equation. So should in case you have anything distractive beside you, please do away with it, because we are going to gain every bit of step we are going to experience in the course of solving this particular simultaneous equation. So follow me, let's solve the equation together, but consider subscribing and also put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload video you will be updated directly. Thank you so much. We have x to the power of x plus y is equals to y to the power of 40. So let me call this equation 1, and the second equation says y to the power of x plus y is equals to x to the power of 10, and let me call it equation 2. So let's get started. Solution. I want to start with equation 1, and I want to make one of the bases the subject of the formula, either x or y. Preferably, I want to make x the subject of the formula in equation 1. So in order to make this x the subject of the formula, I want to take this x plus y to this side. That means I want to clear this x plus y. In turns, I mean I need to multiply the power of both sides by 1 divided by x plus 1. So that means I'm going to have x to the power of x plus y into 1 divided by x plus y is equals to y to the power of 40 into 1 divided by x plus y, and automatically this x plus y will take care of this. That means I'm going to have x is equals to y to the power of 40 divided by x plus y, and this is a very important equation. So if that is the case, let me come to the equation 2 and do the same thing. Still, I want to make x the subject of the formula in equation 2. That means I'm going to clear this, or I'm going to multiply the power of both sides by 1 divided by 10. So I'm going to have y to the power of x plus y into 1 divided by 10 is equals to x to the power of 10 into 1 divided by 10, and I know that this 10 will take care of this 10. So I'm going to have y to the power of x plus y divided by 10 is equals to x. This is another important equation. So when I look at the equation formed by equation 1 and the equation formed by equation 2, I will get to understand that I have something in common. That means both the equation formed by equation 1 and the equation formed by equation 2 is equal to x. X is equal to this and x is equal to that. That means this is equal to this, because this is equal to x and this is also equal to x. So that means x here is equal to x here. So that means y to the power of 40 divided by x plus y, let me put the y very clear, is equals to y to the power of x plus y, or y plus x divided by 10. Okay, we can see that the bases are the same, so we can equate the powers. So 40 divided by x plus y is equals to x plus y divided by. So now I need to cross multiply in order to get the equation balanced. I need to cross multiply. So I'm going to have x plus y squared is equals to 400. 4 times 10 40 times 10 is 400. So if that is the case, I need to take the square root of both sides in order to get rid of this squared. So I'm going to have x plus y is equals to square root of 400. That means x plus y is equals to plus or minus 20. I can see this is just an equation, only one equation, x plus y. One equation with two unknowns. But are we satisfied that we have the value of x and y here? The answer is no, since the variables, we have two different variables. But when you look at it, this is plus and minus. That means x plus y is equals to 20 and x plus y is equals to negative 20. We have two situations here. We are going to tackle them one after the other, since we have two different situations. So let's consider the first situation and related with the first case here. Second situation related with the second case respectively. And as we can see that the first and the second are the same. So let's relate the first case with the first case, the second case with the second case. So if x plus y is equals to 20, we are going to substitute it here. If x plus y is equals to negative 20, we are going to substitute it here. So let's start from the first one. So here we are going to have x is equals to, anywhere I see x plus y, I'll put 20. So y to the power of 40 divided by, instead of this x plus y, I'll now put 20. So 20. So x is equals to y to the power of 40 divided by 20 is 2. So that is for this. So let's come to this and relate it with the second one. Y to the power of, instead of this x plus y, I'll put negative 20. So minus 20 divided by 10 is equals to x. So y is equals to 20 divided by 10 is 2. So I have negative 2 is equals to x. So you can see, as it is called simultaneous equation, I'm solving this simultaneously. So that is that. So here, when I relate it with this, I'm going to have, instead of this x, I'll put y squared. So I'm going to have y squared is equals to y to the power of 40 divided by x plus y. So instead of x, I'll put y squared plus y. So I can see that I have the same basis. So I'm going to make 2 is equals to 40 divided by y squared plus y. So that is that. Let's go. This is divided by 1. So I am going to have 2 into y squared plus y is equals to 40. So by dividing both sides by 2, I'm going to have y squared plus y is equals to 40. So y squared plus y minus 40 is equals to 0. So let's solve it quadratically. So y is equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 times 40, 160 divided by 2. Y is equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 161 divided by 2. So y is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 161 is 12.67. So this is 12.67 divided by 2, or minus 1 minus 12.67 divided by 2. So we can see that, considering the first equation, y is equals to 5.835, or y is equals to 6.8, negative 6.835. So let's find the value of x. So here we said that x is equals to y squared. So if y is equals to 5.835, so x is equals to 5.835 squared. That means x is now equals, let me use calculator, 5.835 300 and 34.05. And if y is equals to negative 6.835, that means x is now going to be minus 6.835 squared. So x is now going to be minus 6.835 squared. So it's going to be 46.7. So these are the respective values of x and y in the given equation. So viewer, consider the second one and find the other 4 values. That means 2 for x and 2 for y. When you consider this equation, you are going to get 2 set of values for x and 2 set of values for y. And as for the first equation, x is equals to y squared, these are the 4 set of values, 2 for x and 2 for y. This is all I have for you for today, my viewer. If you notice any error, don't hesitate to draw my attention, as I'm very good in entertaining all your questions, and I'm ready to take any error, whether I omit or I commit. Thank you so much. Bye.